and welcome our YouTube channel Property Kusadasi. We are at the outskirts of the Kusadasi at the moment in the pine forest, beautiful nature area. We are going to present you unusual, very nice 4-bedroom, spacious, detached villa project. Let's discover more now. The villas are with an unusual architectural. They have got a very spacious private plot, approximately 700 square meters. The villa has 4 bedrooms, all of them en suite. You got an extra 4 bathrooms. Also, the villa usage area is 310 square meters. This is a great project. There's a horse stable here where you can store your horse, and there's also private horse riding lessons here. And there's an organic fruit and vegetable field here. Daily, they are delivering to your door fresh milk, fresh eggs, and fresh vegetables and fruits. There are a few different types of villas here. This is a Lucca type, which is 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom with 700 square meter private plot. There are only 2 villas left. The completion is April 2023. Don't miss the opportunity for these beautiful villas.